Well, one of the things, I remember you telling me that the biggest growth in road running is marathons. And I was surprised. I'm a guy who, because of getting injured trying to run marathons, said, maybe a bicycle's not a bad idea, and I got into triathlons. But I never thought I'd see this in all of, when you first talked to me, and even, I mean, the race was almost 10 years old when you said, we're coming, you and I talked, and
that's right. Yeah, and
start and finish in Long Branch.
And when we had our old course, which was 4 years ago, that was 2,000 total runners, and we came to Long Branch, our new hometown, and we doubled in size to 4,000. But it's not necessarily the full marathon that's the huge growth. It's definitely the half marathon. 13.1 miles is definitely achievable by a casual athlete that gets into a good running program. And that's really key here. The Shore Runner is going to set up a program with Gold's Gym that's going to make it reachable by the casual athlete. I mean, we're looking for each person to have a good experience and good enough that they're hooked. It's the first of many races and foot races and half marathons, and eventually they may decide to run a full marathon. But the half marathon is the stepping stone, and as Chris said, there's no reason why you should reach for the full marathon first. The half marathon is the much better goal to reach for.
What kind of now we're going to start in January, I think the 19th, do I remember right?
Well, that'll be an informational session, and then we'll start the week of the 26th.
And what's going to be, everybody's going to have sort of an individual training program, or?
Well, there'll be a general training program, and then we'll just customize it depending on the individuals. But there'll definitely be a general training program, because I think part of what Art probably loves about running is the camaraderie and the social aspect. And what's awesome is, you know, and for people sitting at home, you say, do I look like a runner? And I'll ask anybody who comes in the store, are you a runner? Because runners come in all shapes and sizes. And in case you don't know, I am not the average runner. Art is not the average runner. So in case
There's a lot of people who look like me in the back third of a race.
Most people are just normal people who go to work, they have a family, it's hard to keep up.
Right.
They, they've, haven't been the same since high school or college, which is fine because your life is different. But what's exciting about it is it just gets you back into a level of fitness and confidence, and you don't have to be able to run the whole way. And what you're going to find is there's people who are slower than you. I mean, there's always people slower than you, and there's people faster than you, and someone super skinny might be slower than you, or vice versa, So it's really awesome, and just the people you meet. I mean, we have, and I can tell, we have the best group runners that come Wednesday nights, and that'll be one of the training runs, and we'll also have a Wednesday morning. But I mean, you have executives that mix with hairdressers, that mix with the local contractor, that mix with the college kid. Like it's.
You have Larry the Lighthouse.
And Larry the Lighthouse.
You have Larry the Lighthouse. You just have all these different, women, men, young, old, different shapes and sizes, different professional, not professional, whatever backgrounds. It's awesome.
Well, this would be a great race to start. I had hurt my back, so I only ran a couple miles of it this year. The first 5 miles of this race, where you have crowds, it's in Long Branch, then Monmouth Beach, back in the Long Branch, over
Patton Avenue Bridge.
Pork Chop Alley.
Pork
Roll Alley, I'm sorry.
Pork Roll Alley. Yep, on Patton Avenue.
I mean, it's not quite the New York City Marathon, but it's building every year.
Yeah, and what I love about our course is we do go through neighborhoods, and that's what runners want these days. Runners want spectators. They want witnesses to what they're doing. And to go along with that, we also have personalized bibs. So you can have your name or a loved one's name on your bib. So when you're running on the course, people will call out that name. That connection is there. Our course, as you know, is very forgiving. The highest elevation is probably going up Elberon Avenue from Lake Tackanasset.
It's either that or the bridge from Monmouth Beach back in the Long Branch. That's the only.
That's about the highest elevation on the whole course. So it's a very forgiving course. So this is a marathon course where some will run for their first time or the half marathon for the first time and have a wonderful experience. Plus, there's no need to travel cross-country now to do a world-class marathon. Here in your backyard is a world-class marathon. The amenities are huge. And as the race director, I'm thrilled about the potential of bringing on 100 or more Long Branch and Monmouth Beach residents. That's my goal, because every runner that comes out to participate will have 10, 15, or 20 family members cheering them on.
Out on the course, sitting there waiting for mom or dad or brother or daughter to come running by.
I've said this before, the marathon is a huge inconvenience on that one day, and it's May 3rd. first Sunday in May. But
May
the
3rd, 2009.
2009, May 3rd. But we don't go away. The other 364
When are you painting the
days.
Green Line?
The Green Line will go down the week before, and I think we'll formulate that Green Line so that it'll definitely be a lot brighter.
Okay, good.
Since,
I like that line.
That green and white line, as many residents know, is the marathon
Right.
course, and it does help to let the residents know, and that's the key here. We want the residents to be part of this. The marathon wants to plant its roots very deeply in this city because I love, as you know, I love Long Branch. I taught school in Long Branch for 30 years. There's no town in New Jersey that could stage this type of production.
I got to ask you this, and then we'll wrap up the first half of the show. Did you ever think it would get this big? I mean, there's 30,000 people on the Long Branch oceanfront at 6 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday morning in May. Did you ever? I never thought that.
When we could bring on board a half marathon course,
Right.
I had a feeling we'd be able to do it. Remember, I travel around the country running full marathons to promote our New Jersey Marathon, and I've seen every place the half marathon twice the size of the full. So the Long Branch half, or now known as Investor Savings Bank Long Branch half, is our
We have to plug them
is
a
our
lot
key.
now.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
I'm thrilled.
Yeah. Before to wrap up, the first information session will be January 19th at what time?
January 19th, I don't know if we set a time, probably around 7 p.m. so people can make it from work.
At your store.
And it'll be at the store so that we can also shoe clinic for people if they want to do it there because the program won't start until the next week. So,
And so that's just an information session. Come in, sign up.
and if you
It's
can't
free.
make it that day, it's okay. For Monmouth Beach and Long Branch residents, it'll be free. If you're not from Monmouth Beach or Long Branch, the cost is still minimal, and you actually get it refunded as a gift card after you complete the event. It's not money making, it really is to just help you get fit and help you achieve something that you might have thought you never could
Okay.
or that you want to improve with.
That's the first half of the show. We'll be back in a minute.